Great. Okay, you ready to see the mouse? There it is. I've torn my whole house apart and barricaded it. See, the couches are upside down. Things are barricaded, doors are closed. Here, kitty, kitty. Reggie, come here. I found it. Poor little mousey. Hello, cat. Over here, Reggie. There it is. You found it. Now get it out of here, would ya? Get it, get it. No. You're not coming back over here again. Get it, Reggie. Oh, great. Now it's under there again. Get it, Reggie, get it. Come on, Reggie. What did I hire you for? Get it. Get it out of here. Do I need to help you again? Hold on. Let me... Okay, Reggie. Here it comes. Here comes the duster. Where'd the thing go? I don't have time for this, you know? Where the heck did that damn thing go? Do you have it? Oh, there it goes. Holy crap. Did you get it? Are we ever going to get this stupid thing out of here? I've got work to... Oh, there it goes. Get it, Reggie, get it. Get it, Reggie. Did you get it? Do you need help? Okay, where is it? Oh, no, 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 not this way. Crap! Underneath my electron... How the hell? Great. Just fabulous. It's under my desk. More stuff for me to take apart. Reggie, you're fired. You can catch these things outside, but you can't get them in here? What's wrong with you? So Reggie is feverishly helping me try to get it out from underneath my desk. Meanwhile, I've got this nice barricade that goes right out the door. So when we get the damn thing out, hopefully he'll... Oh, I see a hole right there. I gotta go fill it. Okay, we're gonna get this guy out of here. There he goes. Follow the path. Outside. Go outside, little guy. Come on, go outside. Go outside. No, you're almost there. Go. No, not back over there, you idiot. Oh, where'd it... And he's out. My plan worked. And Reggie's got him. Keep going. Get him, Reggie, get him. Reggie. Get him, kitty, get him. Okay, now I get to go put my house back together. This is what one mouse can do to a house. Got a couch upside down, stuff everywhere, barricades. All this stuff is messy. That's not a real dog. Another couch upside down. Stuff pulled out everywhere. Barricades. Because then it got under my desk. But the barricade worked. I got it out. He came around here. And boop, right out the door. So Mango, you've got some explaining to do. You brought the mouse and kitty. Mango. He knows he's in trouble because he brought that mouse in the house, dumped it, and then left it to Reggie and me to take care of. What have you got to do? What have you got to say for yourself there, Mango? You feeling a bit ashamed? Or are you proud of yourself? No treats for you tonight. Nope, sorry. You talk to him, Reggie. He won't apologize to me. You're on restriction, kitty. Look at that big mess that you caused, Mingo.